Ladies and gentlemen, the holidays are upon us. Maybe you're looking for some fresh filmmaking gear for yourself, a friend, maybe your grandma who's getting into TikTok this year.
I told you the Chinese food, that is the vegetables with the lo mein, John lo mein.
Either way, me and my friends at Smallrig, the sponsor of today's video, have some amazing gear deals for you guys today on actually quality stuff. We're gonna start with the least expensive item and go all the way up to the most expensive, and I'm gonna tell you how much these things are discounted right now for the holidays. First up on the list is this Smallrig multi-tool in partnership or collaboration with Riot. It's an amazing YouTube channel if you haven't heard of it. This thing is great for building out your gear, setting up cameras on set. It's really convenient because you just push this little button in, then all these tools fold out, and then you have access to anything you need. There's a bunch more tools on the other side. Has really good build quality and it just looks nice. Comes in multiple colors as well. Usually this thing is $39.99 and right now it's $31.99 with the holiday discount. So check this out if you need a multi-tool. Up next is the NP F970 batteries from Smallrig. I absolutely love these and I use them all the time. They have a digital screen on the front that shows you how much charge you have left. These have a full-size USB on them as well as USB-C in and output from one port. Usually these are $79.99 each, but right now with the 20% off, they're $63.99. So that's a pretty dang good deal and they hold a ton of charge. I use these on my Atomos Ninja and they have so much more charge than the cheapy batteries I've bought over the years. And you can power a ton of things with these, charge up your phone, you can charge up your laptop with these if you want. So they're just really handy to have around. Up next is another battery. It's the VB99 Mini V-mount. I absolutely love these batteries. Recently talked about using this on our Lumix S9 anamorphic compact cinema camera rig. This mini V-mount is usually $149.99 and now it's only $104.99. So go check this out. Up next is the RC60B light, which is actually the light I'm using right now to light my face, and I've been using it to light all of my videos since I got this. I talked about this in my all-in-one YouTube studio on wheels video, and I use this light all the time. I power it with one of these V-mounts. The quality of the light is really good, especially coming from such a compact, tiny light, which is why I like it. It's actually mobile, it's not clunky. And the optional softbox that I have right here, well, I'm technically using one right now, but this is an additional one, is actually so good for how small it is. This is the RA D60 mini parabolic softbox.
Saw a pair of rebel flags, I'm not being parabolic.
What I like about it is that you can have 2 stages of diffusion to have even softer light hitting your subjects, which just looks amazing. This awesome little light is usually about 200 bucks and now it's only 159. So if you need a compact light with really good quality and awesome diffusion with the softbox you can get with it, check out the RC60B. But if you want something with slightly more juice, they also have the RC100B, which they have sent over to me kindly. Thank you, Smallrig. And I'm gonna unbox it really quick. I won't fully set it up, but unboxing stuff is always just fun, so. This is the RC100B, and it looks like it's the exact same size as the 60 watt version. It's ultra compact, as you can see. And on these dials over here is where you can control the brightness and then the color temperature of the light itself, which is great. You have this little LCD screen that shows you what information you're controlling. Both of these buttons are clickable to control settings. Got a heat sink and fan up here to keep it cool. Ports here, mounting options down there. If you need a little more juice from a tiny light, check out the RC100B, which is usually, according to my notes, $229.99. And right now it's $183.99, which is a lot cheaper. This next one is something I'm really excited about because I've never actually tried something like this for mobile filmmaking, but it's the all-in-one mobile filmmaking kit from Smallrig in partnership with Brandon Lee. I actually got to meet Brandon at an event last year and he gave me some incredible words of wisdom.
You do this, everybody thinks you're just using your grandpa's handy cam.
Right.
But you flip the screen around like this, back like that, and you hold it like this, and you just tell people, bro, I got the new vertical camera. This is made just for TikToks, right?
This is all raised texture, which is kind of cool. So that's cool. So the box itself is nice, but it seems like it comes in a really nice little soft case, which is cool. Whoa, that is huge. You can open this up to put your phone in like that, and then this snaps in. It's very high quality metals. It feels really robust, it's crazy. I'm not even reading the instructions, I'm just seeing how user-friendly this is. You can just push these in and attach the side handles in one click like that, and then remove them like that. That's so nice. If you're a grandma out there and you need to film that wedding ceremony of your granddaughter with your iPhone Max, dude. Just...
It's okay if you're a short king. We just need to know.
There's so many of you guys out there doing pro video work now, but also doing BTS stuff with your phones, and this could be a good option if you want a little bit more of a serious rig. You can also hot swap these handles to shoot vertical in just a couple clicks, which is just very well thought out. I think this is cool. So good job, Smallrig. Good job, Brandon. Usually that's $239.99, and now it's $191.99. So pretty dang good deal. This next one I'm very excited about because I've been using this bad boy for months as my main tripod, and it is their Freeblazer heavy duty carbon fiber tripod. It's pretty lightweight for how big it is. It can hold a good amount of weight as well. The fluid head is nice and smooth for panning and tilting. And to adjust the height, you only have to unlatch a single stage of latches. So you pop these 3 latches open, and then you can pull the entire thing up. It's very simple. Once I undo these latches, I can control the entire height of the tripod. And once I get it set, I just latch these 3 like this, and that's just how you be cinematic. The Freeblazer is usually $399, but right now it's gonna be $319, so that's on discount. But if you need an even more affordable option for a tripod, they also have their heavy duty fluid head tripod AD01, which is usually 160 bucks, and right now it's only 127. So there's no excuse really. Check out those 2 and see which one is gonna work best for you. And our last piece of gear is, of course, this incredible V-mount battery in collaboration with Caleb Pike. This thing is absolutely beautiful and highly useful. What makes it special is the build quality is absolutely incredible. I have an entire video dedicated to Smallrig's newest batteries, but you have tons of ports with a big USB, 2 USB-Cs that are in and out, 12 volt out, 8 volt out. You have 2 D-taps, and you have a nice display on the front that gives you every ounce of information you could ever want from a V-mount battery. I love you guys. Text me when you get home so I know you're safe. Watch out for deer because they're gonna start showing up with Santa, and I just hope they have Smallrig gifts. Check out my Instagram for short and dumb stuff. Join the Discord server for some nerdy friends, and you are loved more than you might know. All right, God bless you guys. See you in the next one.